The scope of services that we contracted Atlantic Curb Appeal for was a complete master bathroom model. It was very old and outdated, which is why we felt like we needed to do it. The shower in our old bathroom was so old and was using such outdated everything that about every 6 months we had to fix a leaky drain in our shower. So we weren't even using the bathroom to shower in anyway.
My favorite part of the new master bathroom, I actually have two. The first one is the 15-foot tile shower. It is just so dramatic and beautiful, and when people walk into our bathroom for the first time, they just go, oh. And my second favorite part is that I don't ever have to unplug my hairdryer or my curling wand because I have a vanity seat with a drawer that has an electric outlet inside of it. And that is just priceless.
A whole new tile floor. We had a floor-to-ceiling tiled shower with new fixtures, with a frameless glass door. We had picture boarding done on all the walls, all the way up to make the room look, significantly bigger than it really is. Wood beams at the top. Complete new light fixtures that really brighten the whole space up. A brand new vanity with a quartz countertop. A dressing vanity where you're able to do your hair and keep your, items plugged in. My favorite part is our in-suite washer and dryer, which means we don't have to go, take our clothes downstairs or mix them up with the kids' clothes or anything else that we're doing, which is very nice. And then of course, all new fixtures across the board, including our clawfoot tub, all of our sink fixtures.
As a mom of two toddlers, having a new master bathroom for me is like having a spa in my house. Avi and Andy at Atlantic Curb Appeal really worked very hard to make sure that we had the most luxurious and still cost-effective items that we could have in our bathroom. And it's really been like a retreat for me. Out of 5 stars, we would definitely rate Atlantic Curb Appeal 5 out of 5. Their service and communication was just second to none.